all, my name is Ananya Dalmia, and for today's video, as you can already guess by the title, I will be getting my life together basically. So, this month, it's been so exhausting, so tiring, so unhealthy, like it's a complete mess. I really haven't been feeling myself. My workout routine is terrible. Like, I have only worked out 4 times this month. Like, my diet, my like eating routine is so disturbed right now, but we are going to change that today. My body has been feeling very unhealthy. My mental state is like going down, and so basically we are going to get everything right today. I need to do my skincare, which I haven't been really doing this month, like here and there sometimes, but not like on a good basis, not regular, but on a good basis. My skin isn't feeling good. My hair, okay, so I got my hair cut just last month, like on 30th October. Most probably, I got my hair cut, and it's already in a really terrible state. So I need to cut my own hair today. I need to get my like my nails are in a really bad state right now. I need to do my nails, so I need to exercise. I need to do my skincare. I need to, get my shit together, and I will cut my hair, do my nails, and also I need to pack. On top of that, I will be leaving for college in a few days, and I need to pack for that. So yeah, pack and then study. Like, does it count? At this point, I don't know what studies are even anymore. Oh my God, I feel like such a bad person. But anyways, and my room is already a mess. But it's okay. We are going to do everything today, and basically, I wanted to start this video at 8 o'clock in the morning, but for some reasons it got delayed to 12 o'clock. I did my makeup. It was a very quick makeup. I didn't film a lot because I was already behind the time. I wanted to complete these two videos today because this month, I told you, it's been really exhausting. I like literally filmed, I guess, only 3 videos, to be very honest, and I just want to be regular. But yes, for personal reasons, I did not post anything this month. But also, my mental state literally has been so freaking terrible. I just wanted to get in a good space before actually leaving for college. So that's what we're going to do today. We need to do a lot of things, and we have very less time right now. So let's just get into the video.
So I started off by filming this video which I've been wanting to do from a very long time. It's about how I lost weight and finally I was done with it.
Okay, so I finished filming my video. Let me just. Yeah, okay, so I finished filming my video, and it is a 1 hour freaking long video that I filmed. But, anyways, now the next thing on my list is to cut my hair. Oh my god, yes. But I also want to like create a reel. Let's just create this one reel because I want to post it today. Let's just do that real quick. And like, it is currently 2:30 right now, and I'm actually amazed by how fast I completed the video. So now let's just make some reels real quick. I filmed this one video about how I lost weight. It's like the full package about everything that I've done the last year to lose weight. So do check it out. It's most probably already there on my channel. And now that I'm done filming the video, it took literally 1 hour to film the video. Okay, I'm back. I really needed coffee after all of that. Okay, so I'm back, and I've changed my outfit because I'll be cutting my hair. And all you need is a comb, scissor, some water, and lots of newspaper, because you're going to be spreading it on the floor, then sitting on it, because hair is going to be everywhere, and I do not want to clean that mess. Okay, so I'm all done, and I am gonna show it to you. So I've spread all the newspapers here, and Yep, and that is the setup. Ignore it, okay? Yeah, so that is how it is. Just brushing through my hair, and then I'm going to directly go in with some water. So first of all, I'm just going to cut my front hair. I'm so sorry, I'm literally like moving out of the frame, but I'm just trying to, see myself in the mirror. And also, I'm no professional, okay? But I just like to do it the way I want it. So, like, I like them when I do it myself. So that's why. And then I want it at least like this much. So I'm just gonna cut yahan se because I want to leave some room for improvement because there's no going back if I cut it. This side is honestly the hardest. So now next I am just going to take uh, this portion because I do not have this hair tie, so I'm just gonna keep it like this and taking the rest of the hair in front.
Okay, yes, I know you guys must be thinking, what the hell are you doing with your hair, Ananya? But trust me, like as I told you guys, I already got a haircut like just a month ago, so I just wanted to trim my hair a bit, and there wasn't a lot to do, but I just wanted to give them like a finished cut.
Also, I kind of want to go shorter from the front, but let's leave it here and go. I know I'm gonna regret that, so let's just leave it here and we are done with the haircut. It's a mess. Okay, so I'm all done. Now I'm going to get changed and get ready for my workout. Okay.
Yes, I didn't film myself a lot while working out because for some reason I was not comfortable. But anyways, this is what I had to clean up.
Okay, so I didn't really film a lot, but I completed my workout. Then I cleaned my desk, which was a mess, a complete mess. And it's looking pretty good now, actually. And I'm feeling so good. Like, that mental thing, like, I was so stressed. Like, I will insert the clip, and you literally see how messy my desk was.
Okay, so before starting any kind of skincare, I make sure to take in some steam because it improves blood flow and it also helps to open pores.
Okay, so I'm done with steam and now I'm just going to go and use this Detan face mask from Everyouth. I've been using this for as long as I can remember and it works perfectly for me and this is like my favorite Detan mask, so I'm just gonna use it. Because I'm done putting on my face mask and the next step is some hair care. So I have this hair mask right here and it is the rice hair mask. So I did not used to do anything to my hair, like no hair mask, just normal hair care routine. Like sometimes here and there I used to use egg and things like that, but I never really had this hair care routine. But this hair mask is like really good because I tried it a few days ago for the first time and trust me, like my hair like was so soft after the wash, and that is why I'm just going to do it again today. So yeah, it's going to be really messy. It's kind of uncomfortable to do it on camera because I really do not have a mirror right here. So I'm just gonna get it done and be right back. Okay, so I'm all done and this is what it looks like. And now I'll see you guys once I'm all done.
Okay, so I started studying after a bit, and this is how my desk is looking right now. And trust me, those scented candles are so amazing. Like, this smells so good. And yes, I pretty much just studied after that and did some packing. Okay, so this is the next day, and long story short, I literally had to add this because I almost missed my flight because I was filming these two videos. Like, I literally filmed two videos before leaving, but everything worked out at the end because the two videos that I filmed, they were amazing, and I am currently editing them right now actually. But yes, this is the view from my place, and it is so freaking beautiful, like I can't. And also this one thing that I left was doing my nails, so yes, here it is. Now yes, I know I did not complete it that day, but I had to include it because they turned out pretty awesome, I would say. And here I am trying to recreate the strawberry nails. I love to do a lot of nail arts, and this is like one of them that I'm proud of because they turned out amazing, and you will see why. And also, these nail arts that I do, they barely require any kind of professional products. So if you guys want me to do any kind of particular video, you can just leave it in the comments down below. And thank you for watching.